Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to track someone's location in Google Maps on your Android phone. So this is easy to do. Just open up Google Maps right here, and then what you want to do is go to your profile on the top right, and there is an option for location services or location sharing right here. We can just tap that, and then we can tap the name on our contacts list, and we can send them a message to share our location. So just go to location sharing right there. I'll pop up your contacts, and you can just choose the person you want to share it with. Then you should be able to see them on here wherever they are. They're going to be represented by like a little blue dot, and you can choose if you want it shared indefinitely or just for a few hours. So sometimes I'll do that if we're on like a concert or something like that. We can see where everyone is. So you can just choose that. Otherwise, there is a good app called Life 360 that I use too with my family members. That's a lot easier to do. So check that out in the Google Play Store. It's called Life 360. And this one works well for families, and it's free. So go ahead and just check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.